Hello guys, my friends are in the background. The male one is the one with the horns.
Yeah, female ones they don't have.
Okay, you can see also wattles. We thought they are dangerous, but I think these ones are used to human beings.
They say they have a strong kick.
Welcome back to Audio Story, and it's an early morning in Mbarara. We are on our way to Lake Mburo National Park.
Kutonjera damu. Tuenda damu ndisho. Damu ajireba.
So we made a stop on our way to Lake Mburo. But this is a reservoir for the cows. So the cattle can come and have some water here, then go back and eat. I guess the cows are not missing much. Lake Mburo National Park is located in Chiruhura district in the western region of Uganda, about 30 kilometers east of Mbarara and about 240 kilometers by road west of Kampala.
Hello.
So now we've reached the gate. We've been getting lost, but finally we're here. I'm so happy.
They want to say the IDs, they want to differentiate. Uganda,
So we have to come with IDs.
$30.
$30. Okay, let's.
For the vehicle, this one, that is $30.
We are allowed to come with guns. I see guns here. For poaching. The other words I'm not seeing properly. No? I just saw a word gun there. I thought it was for my protection.
We expected more.
How much is the guide? You pay 20 for the guide.
You pay the company, the organization.
And they give you a guide. Oh, okay. By what way you walk over Masasi? Boy, our bay.
By the name Socrora Locious, I'm happy to be your guide for this afternoon. I'm going to take you through the park. And this is Lake Mburo National Park. In the Lake Mburo National Park, we have the game drive activity. We expect to see antelopes and some zebras. Is the large species in the park. And the park of Lake Mburo is one of the savanna grassland parks. What I mean a savanna grassland park is the open park where you can easily see wildlife compared to others. Lake Mburo is one of them. Makshon you can find Queen Elizabeth and Windy Penetrable.
Which other animals are there?
You find the elands, you find the impalas, you find the waterbacks, you find the bushbacks, amongst the others. We have the duikers in antelopes. When you happen to go for water, there you can see the hippos and crocodiles.
How about leopards?
Leopards, they are seen, but mainly during night. They are active at night.
That's the lions.
Lion we don't have in Lake Mburo. See, we had a lion, it was one, but it died.
Just one?
We had one.
How did it get in here alone?
It was transferred from Queen Elizabeth National Park to here.
Transferred.
But just one?
It was one, a male one. A male one.
But they should have got like 3.
Yes.
So they can mate.
In Lake Mburo, it is one of the smallest parks. The smallest savanna parks compared to others. So when you introduce here lions move toward long distances, and we are near the park is surrounded by the community. Mainly before earlier, lions were here, but they got overdue toward the community around.
Then you have hyenas.
The hyenas we do have.
Do you know why the lion died?
The reason old age.
How old can they be?
25 years.
Hey. What's your favorite animal you have here in the park?
My favorite is eland. An impala can be there.
Why is a zebra considered a wild animal?
It's in a horse family. And this zebra, why it can't be kept in home, it can't do this domestic work for the herd. Understand they have a weaker backbone to do that domestic work. The vegetation which is covering our park is mainly of the acacia.
These things with thorns.
With the thorns, that's what we mean acacia. They are of different types. We have the Sirena, we have the Hawkeye, we have the Volcansa acacia. So they are the ones covering the park. But we reach to some other areas which are open. We initiated opening the park such that the animals come closer. You know, these animals, they like living in an open area. They feel safer than in this sickest area, bush areas, because can be attacked by these dangerous animals, meaning the leopard.
You have monkeys.
Monkeys we do have.
I want to know, how does your daily work look like?
As the camp you found us, we always conduct patrols. Apart from patrols, we have guard duties. Already you found when you are coming, you found people at the gate waiting for the visitors. That is guard duty, which is comprised of giving security to you visitors. As I'm doing now, I'm giving you security at the same time guiding you through the park. Then the female ones, they don't have.
This is a water bug, right?
Yeah. These water bugs, they always live along the river bank where water is near to them. When you see them here, meaning the water point is not far from here. Like us, when we are in the field, you can get thirsty and you say, where can I get water from? When you see that animal, it can locate you that from here, not more than a kilometer, there is water.
Put the field on foot or by other means.
We go on foot. We patrol on foot. We are foot rangers.
Is it dangerous?
Not dangerous. We are trained.
Because we have guns.
We have guns, we are trained. We know how to live in the jungle.
Bullets, so you use tranquilizers
For
when in case you're in danger.
no, when in danger. For us, we know if like I know the most dangerous things here. The first one of all, it is a hippo, and a hippo mainly stays in the water, rarely seen in the upland. Then the another second one I can talk of, it is the buffaloes. And buffaloes, most of the times you have to be in good you sight. If you sight in a distance, you have to give a pave away. You direct to another direction. You find even me, they have never shot like a bullet or scare shoot an animal in the back for the time I've spent. I'm 6 years old here.
When you take out as you shoot to kill or you shoot
No,
to defend yourself?
only what you can do best is to scare shoot. After producing that sound, it has to change the direction.
When it charges at you, that's when you shoot.
When it charges, that one, it is in a rare occasion. This park is bordered by the farms. It ends in people's lands.
I have heard there are big snakes in here.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
There is a Shara ranch. We have spot hunting. Those people who are licensed to what? To hunt animals. They don't hunt in the park, they hunt in the ranches. So they are allowed to kill. They pay the license to the water organization. Yeah, when the sick ones, they are mostly treated. We have the doctors. Mostly they are staying in Queen, those bigger, larger parks. So when the animal is sick, mainly may have observed we have the giraffes here. When he's sick, they are always called. They come and see and assess the condition. We only move in the water, oxygenated roads. We don't, like here, they find us when you have already gone outside. That you want to see this animal, let me go. That's why they call it off track. And it is fine for it.
Is it allowed to go out of the car?
Out of the car, a few meters you can step down. That one is allowed. Because when you move in a long distance, meaning that is another activity, it is not a game drive. It becomes a nature walk.
So you have nature walks
which
here.
is paid for. Even cycling we have, night game drives we have. There were two brothers living together. And one was called Mburo, the other one was Chigarama. So the brother Chigarama told Mburo that I dreamt that this place is going to sink. It's better we live here and we go and occupy the upper land with these hills. You are seeing these hills. So the brother insisted and said, no, you are lying. And at the end, his dream which came true. The blessed son, there was named Lake Mburo. This one shifted to the hills, was called the Chigarama. In front, we can see the male impala. The dominant male chases these other weaker males. When you see them, very many males, like 4 or 5, they are always called the bachelor's ones, the ones which have failed in the family. The
So it chases them and remains with all the women.
The project being done by Bank of Uganda, and it mostly to benefit the community living around.
During the 1990s, Lake Mburo National Park was used as a hunting ground for the Ankole, especially by the Bahima that resided around it. In order to protect the countless wildlife that exists in the park, it was gazetted as a game reserve in 1963 until 1986 when the Ugandan Wildlife Authority turned it into a park.
It's looking here. I think it's not happy.
You first stop.
Let's
just watch.
This man is a coward. We go. Where is it?
That's going inside, but you'll be on a watch.
You can get out and look for it. Where is it?
It's here.
It's hiding somewhere.
Yeah. You can see it's bump.
Where's the bump?
When you're ready, let me know.
When you are moving along, they can first come closer to you. When they are minute, they can come closer and go back. They have that in this also. These baboons, they have always where there is a group, they are family. One has to be in the open.
So this is the main gate. We are at the reception right now.
I've seen beautiful butterflies. I got a friend who's called Norbert. It's some insects.
The thing is, we used the other entrance first, and yet we're supposed to use this entrance. I feel better now. Can't wait to reach the lake.
These zebras, if we observe very well, they are patterns. They are never the same.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen the young zebra?
No.
It has kind of brownish color. When it grows old, changes to this.
Yeah. Something I had also not seen the color of the giraffes that we see. They are, when they get old, they start becoming black. They say they have a strong kick.
You see?
Hey, come in peace.
And when you see this color, is it the other one we have been taking off?
They say they are like fingerprints. Every child has.
That's a waterbuck. The male one is the one with the horns.
Yeah. Female ones, they don't have. They look good.
Yeah.
Maybe one dominant male. Yeah, man.
These are called the acacia trees.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Giraffes, man.
Just let me know.
Let's stop here.
This one is very old.
This one.
This,
This female one. Where is the male one?
Let me give you a double view here.
Wow. Here.
They can outrun what a lion, a giraffe.
The grown big one weighs 1,000 tons.
Hello guys, my friends are in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 giraffes. It's amazing. So the giraffes are said to be faster than a lion when they are running, and this is crazy.
And even the Uganda home does not have the long roads like this one.
Yeah.
It is a shallow lake with a maximum depth of approximately 5 meters, that is 16 feet. The lake spans an area of approximately 260 square kilometers, and it's surrounded by rolling hills, open grasslands, and patches of woodland. Right now we are at Lake Mburo National Park, and right behind me you can see Lake Mburo. I don't know how big it is, but it's quite big. We've realized that we have hippos here, and we also have crocodiles. So you can see also wathles. We thought they are dangerous, but I think these ones are used to human beings. They literally eat while kneeling down. I think they are Uganda. Responsible wathles. I would also like to shout out to our driver, God. And also would like to shout out to the investor Palia. We'd also like to shout out to Mendy, and of course I would like to shout out to myself. So I'm just so grateful to get to experience this, and I hope that someone outside there has been inspired to be able to take such trips at some point in their lives. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please go below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can watch more upcoming videos.